Hey everybody, welcome to another unboxing. This time around we have a Marvel Universe medal. I don't know if this seems like it's a Spider-Man themed box. I was visiting Denver in the last month or so and I found these at Target, and since I've been opening up a lot of waifu cards, I decided to mix it up a bit for you all and open up a box of these. These are a blaster box. Hopefully there's a hit in here. These were, I want to say these were $30, maybe, which seems kind of crazy. I think it's because it's the metal. I think they're all have like foil and they all have stamping, I think, if I recall back in the day opening up metal cards. And yeah, this does seem Spider-Man themed, so that would be cool. I mean, yeah, there's obviously a spider web here. I think boxes of these are probably in the $200 range. So I'm probably only gonna buy, maybe if I like these and I see more, I might buy some more blasters, but you only get 12 cards. No, sorry, 36 cards, which I guess isn't too bad. So yeah, let's dive right in. I miss opening up blaster boxes. I used to open up blaster boxes of wrestling cards, but those aren't. Oh, this is a SkyBox. Okay, I'm used to Topps cards. So yeah, that's cool. I haven't opened up a SkyBox box of cards recently. So let's dive right in here. These are thick. That's cool. Let's see, what do we got? Let's see. Yeah, we've got parallels, of course. We got some sketch cards, platinum portrait. Wow. Comic cuts, 8,600. So is that like pieces of original comic book art? That'd be cool. So yeah, it's definitely Spider-Man themed. Man, I love Spider-Man, so okay. Yeah, all right, let's dive right in. Pack number one. These definitely feel thick, so these probably do have that foil on. Yep, that's why they're premium. So here we go, we got some sort of black suited Spider-Man with 8 limbs. AI opaque South American god. Okay, so the name of the person's here. Interesting. All right. We got Alistair Smithy. Another Spider-Man. I'm not up to date on my Spider-Man comics, so apologies if I don't know half of these people, like this guy, the Jackal. So now we know why these were nearly double the, whoa, look at that. Oh, is that a, okay. That's probably yellow FX parallels, maybe? It's got kind of a gold. That's cool. All right. I like that. Or this is some sort of, what is this? I don't know. The SkyBox, the ones that released those like really thick cards that came in like, they were like cardboard packages that opened up. Was that SkyBox? Probably. All right, that one's cool. That one goes there for now. Here we got, is this Hawkeye? Old school Hawkeye. Interesting. What's the deal with the different? Okay. Yeah, it's like old art Scorpion. It's neat. Those are over 100 and some, almost 200 cars in here. Man. All right, pack 2. These are cool. Expensive. Can't imagine trying to get a whole set of these. Here we got Chameleon. Nice, cool looking Venom. Very neat. Here we got a lame looking Flash Thompson. Just that art style's kind of weird. Ooh, nice. Jessica Jones. Maybe, is this a yellow parallel or is this a bronze parallel? Yeah, this one's a... Is this gold FX? No. God, I hate parallels. Raise your hand in the comments below if you do too. Okay, this is yellow. So these are exclusive, I think, to blaster boxes. This yellow. God, imagine I've said this before. Imagine trying to be the one that collects the full yellow parallel set. Like, you gotta be nuts. Or just, you're so rich that you don't know what to do with your money. Did I look at that? If you're super rich and you don't know what to do with your money, go ahead, donate to my channel. All right, pack 3. What do we got here? Maria Hill from S.H.I.E.L.D. Name sounds familiar. Gotta love the power grid. Old school Marvel cards. Vulture. White Tiger. Oh, that is? Okay. And the yellow parallel Falcon. I do like the gold look. It makes them look cooler. Green oh, okay. There's what parallel is this? Looks like Batman symbol in the background. Grandiose. They all say that? Grandiose. Is this the grandiose parallel? Yeah. Okay, at least they tell you what parallel it is. Grandiose. Does the... No, these don't. Okay. No, that's appreciated. For sure. And here we go. We got Vision. All right, pack 4. Here we go. I finally got a Spider-Man, like a normal Spider-Man. Here's Superior Spider-Man. You got Kingpin here. Sorry, Wilson Fisk. Here's the normal Jessica Jones. I got the, where is that? Somewhere, the gold. I think it's the gold parallel. Right? Yeah, see that? So why doesn't this say gold? Huh. Is that different? Is that, yeah, it's different. Beast from the X-Men, that's the yellow variant. Or whatever you want to call it. Parallel. Scarlet Witch. I do appreciate seeing the old art from the comic books. Silver Age. Speaking of, Dr. Octopus. Is this another parallel? Is this like, it's got like a texture on it. Or is that supposed to be like that? Is this another weird parallel, guys? Is this like Palladium parallel? I don't know. Any Marvel metal card experts out there? Pack 5, penultimate pack. There we go. Miss Marvel. Very dynamic looking. And Punk Spider-Man, Spider-Punk. There's some sort of pig. That's the Peter Porker, modern day. I got 2 Peter Porkers in this box. And the parallel of Maria Hill, the silver one, kind of has a pea color to it, actually. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Here we go. There's a Palladium, Miles Morales, very cool. This is 1 out of 18 packs, so 3 boxes worth. Very cool. I always like plastic cards. I know it's bad for the environment probably, but that's just, I mean, that looks cool. Tell me what. Look at that. I am used to Chinese cards having this like foil speckle pretty much on every card. So to have to spend $30 and this is a super rare chase card to get the speckle is interesting. Cool, and that's Miles. Very neat. 25 of 50. There's 50 of these. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And finally we got Craven. And the final pack. Would have liked to get Spider-Gwen, but hey. That's why they want you to buy more of these. And first up we get Falcon again, more modern take. And Ben Parker, rest in peace. Kind of a weird picture to have for this guy. Mr. Sinister, cool art style. And White Tiger with another cool art style. It's got the kind of Hildebrandt look and the, what is that? Grandiose parallel. That's cool. Kind of like move. See that? That's neat, actually. I like that. And a silver, or sorry, a yellow FX Wolverine. Very cool. And the last card is, of course, Grey Hulk. So yeah, that's the first booster I bought. I might buy more of these. I might, if I feel like it, I'll look at see how much a box of these are, like a hobby box. They're probably $200, I'd say, especially boxes are going for $100 now or more. And then Marvel specialties more than that. And who knows, they're probably sold out. So yeah, that one's definitely really cool. I like getting at least a hit per box. Maybe that's how it's structured. But yeah, let me know which card was your favorite, which Spider-Man character is your favorite. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, everybody.